This is the latest door sill kit from 3W, and we're not going to throw it on our Model Y Performance because there has been a few people that have told me that it fits 100%, but last time I tried it didn't fit 100% to me. But there has been a couple people on the channel that have told me that it has fit their Model Y Performance. So let's show you what this kit is. It's basically these protector area pieces that go onto a Tesla Model Y. We're going to show you the kit really quick, do a quick unboxing, and then show you how it looks installed on a Model Y Premium refresh that we had in the past. So let's go ahead and show you how many pieces this is, because this is a crazy kit. It's a door sill protector kit that has like 9 total pieces, and if you use promo code Dennis35 you get 35% off of this kit from 3W. So really cool to see, definitely check it out. Let's show you all the different pieces before we show you how it actually looks installed on the vehicle. And here's why this kit is pretty important. Like, if you've got the all-weather floor mats, like we have the 3W ones that have the carpet inserts that are pretty cool, that are removable if you wanted to go like this version. But you can see here, Tesla has changed it and they put carpeted area all throughout here. And this is just 1 month of usage, and you can see it's already starting to like disintegrate a little bit in terms of the carpet starting to pull off, and of course it's getting dirty. So this kit actually goes on top of all of this and really makes it a nice look and feel if you're looking to protect the inside of your Tesla Model Y. So here's a couple different pieces of the kit. You can see this one is what it looks like on the driver's side. This is for one of the rear pieces. It's a 9 total piece kit, and there's just so many more in here that comes with all the different pieces to protect the inside of your vehicle. You see there's plenty of them there down. So this is a great in combination with your Model Y if you are getting the all-weather floor mats. My favorite piece though is going to be this one. This is the trunk area one that I know fits. So let's go ahead and throw this onto our Tesla Model Y. And you can see we've also got the 3W trunk mat, which is highly worth it. And you can see we've got like the protectors for the rear back seat, which is really worth it as well. So super easy install. I'm going to try and do this one-handed, but I'm probably going to fail. So see if I can do this, and then I'll show you. Let me show you the final product afterwards. And there it is. So you can see now it is completely protected in these areas, and it looks super nice and almost OEM, but a great combination with the 3W floor mats. And why this is like tough, I guess, because they really make it a tight fit, and we don't make it any better because we also have like the regular stock floor mat under here as well, and you have to kind of know what's going on here. And so this is the actual piece, and this is probably my most favorite part of the door sill connector kit, because it's got like a protector part where it's up here, and then this bottom part, which I'm scuffing this part where my foot is coming in and out all of the time. So it's really good. But let's go ahead and take out the factory floor mat first, or not factory, the driver's side floor mat, because I've got to shake it out and get all this stuff out, because that's what you really want to do. And then you probably, you know, you're not actually supposed to install the floor mat with the OEM ones, the carpet ones. So I'm going to just like kind of roll it up like this so that it's out of the way, and then we can see what it actually looks like here. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to take it all out as well. And so here is the actual piece. And the best way to do this is to kind of start at the top here and wedge it in underneath this section, and then go backwards and then push it in through this side. And here, let me show you exactly what's happening here. But basically there is this part right here in which you have to get this in front of here while pushing this part underneath it, and so that it kind of slides right in. And so that's where it gets a little tricky, and some people might have some issues with trying to install this onto their Tesla Model Y. So let's first try and put in this part. I'm gonna wedge it in there, and then you're gonna put this under here. And then to make it even better, you should put it underneath this all these different pieces here for the rubber side, which if you've got the trim tool kit, which we got for the wheels, that will actually make it a lot easier to do this. Now you can see it's completely installed on the driver's side. So we're going to put in the carpet floor mats and then our all-weather floor mats, which you're not supposed to do. You're supposed to just put the all-weather floor mats, but I don't want to store the carpet mats anywhere else. And there we have it. We've got the door sill protector kit on the door side. We've got our all-weather floor mats by 3W. That is also there as well with the carpet inserts. And we're completely protected from like scuffing the sides and everything as well. So before we show you clips of this kit installed on the Model Y Premium, I did want to show you, if you want to try and push this into the Model Y Performance, let me show you the Fitment, which some of you might think this is like perfectly fine, which maybe I have to like give it some more room or give it some more effort, but it actually kind of does look like it fits pretty well if this is like if you're looking for in terms of protection. Like if you want something ASAP, this is where I think it's a little bit tight. I feel like it could be moved over a little bit, but in terms of this one looks pretty good. And you can see this is our performance because we got the seats right there.
One eternity later.
So we've got our old Tesla Model Y here, and it actually had the 3W kit installed already on the inside. So let me show you this because this is a cool use here in which this has been driven, of course, with the kit on, with the door sill kit, and you can see all the different areas it protects, and you can see how easy it is to wipe and clean with this 9-piece kit. So let me show you each and every piece within here. The first one is going to be the main driver side. So it goes from here all the way down to right here, and it's got a super nice fitment in a sense where you can see that the frame of the door, I guess right here, it goes around it, and you can see we've got the 3W all-weather floor mats doing its job and keeping all the dirt within the floor mat instead of anywhere else. But you can see all the different marks from like shoes and everything, which could, if this wasn't here, this is all carpet underneath, and so your scuff marks and dirt marks would just get on the carpet, which is harder to clean instead of just wiping this area right here. So we've got these dirt area marks, so you can just wipe it, and of course we don't have any solution there, but you can kind of get the idea of how easy it is to clean this area. So let me remove this so you can see how easy it is to kind of install it, because it just clicks in underneath the frame right here, and then it actually goes into right here. So this is a really cool kit if you're looking to protect the inside of your Tesla Model Y. And now let's look at like the rear piece. So this is a 9-piece kit. So you've got another one that goes right here for the backside, and it is a super snug, tight fit, almost like looks OEM, like this should be coming from the factory. Really cool kit here. And then of course we got the all-weather mats for the rear section. So this is a lot of different pieces here, but you got 1 piece here, 2, 3 right here in the middle, 4, and then of course the other 4 on the other side for passenger and driver side, so that's 8, and then the trunk one in the back here, which is a 9th piece. So a lot of different protection pieces to protect the inside of your car, and you can see it's already doing its job, because if underneath this it's essentially carpet, and so you would have to either clean carpet or this plastic piece to protect the inside. My favorite though is going to be the trunk one, because yes, you can get the trunk mat that protects it for the all-weather floor mat, you can get the protectors for the back seat, which comes with the all-weather floor mat kit, but this one is like the door sill or trunk sill for the backside. It's actually this piece right here which protects it from any like dirt coming into this area, and really nice. You can see it's already like doing its job in terms of protecting and keeping, you know, crumbs and anything in this area, which is another cool kit. And just so you can see the passenger side, it's essentially the flip opposite side of the driver's side, but you got another piece right here that goes all the way down to this area, and I mean it makes it almost look OEM and protects more of the interior of your Tesla Model Y.